How to hide message notifications on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, if you want to hide your message notifications on Instagram, you'll need to go to settings and then scroll down, tap on notifications, and here find Instagram. Tap on it, and then you can see allow notifications. Now if you want to turn it off, you can just tap on it and completely turn off the notifications. However, there's also another method that you can use. You can tap on allow notifications, but you can choose whether to see the alerts on lock screen notification center or banners. If you don't want banners, you can untick it. If you don't want it on a notification center, you can untick it as well. Now you can see show previews option, tap on it, and always means you'll be able to see the preview from your notification itself. However, if you tap on when unlocked, then that means without unlocking your phone, you cannot see the content of the message. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.